Coffee. Did you know that you can actually use coffee to develop black and white film? How hard can it be? Let's find out. Here's the recipe for doing so. First you'll need instant coffee and sodium carbonate, not bicarbonate. That's very important. Sodium bicarbonate is not suitable for that. It's sodium carbonate. Around that amount of coffee is this. Why am I doing a mess? And that amount of sodium carbonate. Well, 1 tablespoon of each component. Just add some warm water to get the 300 milliliters. Mix it thoroughly and let it sit for a while. Once your film developer has reached room temperature, you can use it as a classical developer, pouring it into your tank. And you leave it there for 1 whole hour. 1 hour, 60 minutes. That gives you plenty of time to play some games, do some shopping online. Oh, I don't have this color.
1 hour later.
After 1 hour, you'll need to rinse the film thoroughly. You don't want to contaminate your fixer because yes, you'll need some classical fixer. Just like this Ilford Rapid Fixer or any other brand is gonna be just fine. I have a whole video on how to develop black and white film at home. And after rinsing, it's now time for the big reveal.
Swagger down the street with your red lips and funky beat. You better hold your head up to the sky. I'm gonna roll with you till the day I die. Hey, swing those hips around. Can't stop, roll back down. My ladies, short, tall, thin or wide, always down and ready to ride. One by one, billion by billion, they're holding up half the sky. Raise your hand if you're ready and willing.
And there we are. We just developed a film using instant coffee. How cool is that? Well, coffee has many uses in photography. Just look at these old photos. You may think, hey, they're very old, from the 60s or the 70s. No. I did them a few weeks ago using coffee to give this yellowish, vintagey looking tone to the photographic paper. And now, we developed film with coffee. And that's all I've got for you today, guys. As always, thank you for watching. I hope to see you next time. Leave a like, comment, and yada yada yada. You know the gist. It's cold now.